Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Tri-State EDC. I'm gonna film this again. I recorded this video already once, and this camera wasn't on. I then went to stop the video last night after recording and turned it on, and it recorded 6 hours of my desk in 4K. So, some of that footage here, you're welcome. I'll spatter in some of my initial reaction throughout this video, but this is a new Ketuo. I'm pumped about it. It's the Meridian. I didn't even know this was a thing. I've never seen pictures of it. I didn't even know it existed until yesterday when I opened it up. But we're gonna take a look for the second time together right now. That's right, Ketuo. Let's brighten things up a little bit. Shall we? Shall we? Magnetic clasp on this nice, simple black box. Ketuo in the silver embossment. It's very nice, very classy. Pop her open. We got some paperwork. We got a cleaning cloth. And we have the KNAFS. And what a KNAFS it is. What a KNAFS it is. Look at this. Hello? Giant perforated baloney nip pivot going on. Super sleek contoured titanium build, titanium backspacer, Ketuo on there. Titanium pocket clip, got the ceramic ball going on, got the big baloney nip on the lock bar side too. Full titanium frame lock, flipper only. But what a sleek design. It's very like what the people in the 1920s thought the future was going to look like. That's what this knife, that's the vibes I get. Size comparison, PM2, longer. Pair 3, longer. Big surprise. Yeah, it's a long boy. Very long, very slender, very sleek. You know? I like it. I dig it. We got jimping on this big old flipper tab. Absolute behemoth. Jimping on the blade spine as well. Just a nice looking thing. Let me pop her open. Look, just this grind does things to my nether regions that I dare not talk about on YouTube. I like this a lot. I'm not a flipper only guy, but this profile, even with the big baloney nip, does something to me. And I can't put my finger on it. You know what I mean? It's something. It's something. That profile is just clean. So clean. And I love this grind. Full flat ground blade. M390, I believe. Don't quote me. Future me? M390? M390? I don't know. PM2, yeah, longer than that. Like I said, long boy. Long and slender. There's a pair 3. Power bottom pair 3. Like 2 inches longer. Maybe a full inch. 3/4 of an inch on the PM2. It's a big knife. It's a big knife, but it does not feel like a big knife. Ergo's in hand. Yeah, sure. It's a short sword, man. Choke back. That feels good. Locked in. No issues. Easy 4-finger grip. Thumb on that jimping. Feels good. Nestle in behind the flipper tab. Thumb on the jimping again. Yep. Home sweet home. No issues. No complaints. I like this, and I like it quite a lot. That feels good. You can kind of trigger pull it. It's a little sketchy. We have a nice sharpening choil here, but not a good finger choil, but you can right there if you need to. That's fine. It's safe enough. Safe enough. Pinch grip, you can. It's better than I expected. It's like a 70-75% of the day. It's decent. It's a decent pinch grip. You know, use that tip, cut open your packages, call it a day. Ergos are nice. No hot spots, no pinch points, no issues at all. Murder grip? Yeah, do some damage. Do a little damage, why not? Yeah, it feels good. It feels good in the hand. Now action on bearings, Ketuo and Reich. Oh, it's miraculous. It's lovely. Light switch, the flipper tab, pops right open. The detent's not super strong. It's not like overwhelming by any means, but God, it works. It just pops right open. And I always say, if you're gonna give me one singular mode of actuation, it better be damn good. It's good. It's good enough. It's good enough to tickle my fancy. Great access to the lock bar as well. Easy access, pops right open. Really long lock bar. So really easy. You don't have to put a ton of weight behind it. You know, it just pops closed. Lockup, by the way, solid. Absolutely solid. Steel lock bar insert in there. detent ball is ceramic. Yeah, the action's exceptional. Buttery smooth. Nice and crispy. Crispy enough without being overwhelming. I just love it. I love it. Good acoustics too. Hold on. Yeah, makes a good noise. Makes a good noise. Not too loud. Not crazy loud by any means, but makes a damn fine noise. Makes a damn fine noise. Now then, we gotta cut something. Like I said, I believe M390. We have this two-tone brushed on the flats, stonewash on the actual grind. Let me grab some back real quick. Show you how it's done. Ooh, we got some fancy speakers. Look at that little Stormtrooper job. $5,000 per pair. Jesus Christ. They better, like, take me to full orgasm every time I play any music ever. Lightsaber, dude. Lightsaber, dude. I'm loving it. Cuts great. Looks dynamite. Beautiful. Kind of mid-century modern. Art Deco. Honestly, it gives me a more Art Deco feel. That's why I brought up the 1920s earlier. It's a very much like an Art Deco style, design style, and I'm here for it. It's beautiful. The Meridian, right? Meridian from Ketuo. I like this a lot. Don't know when this is coming out. Don't know how much it is. Future me. Thank you. It's a stunner, though. It really, really is a great-looking knife. Links down below. Grab them for yourself. I will also link their Instagram so you can stay up to date. But that is it. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I'm out there. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye now.